Now, is there a big difference if someone goes through insurance versus doing a cash?
Yeah, I mean, when you go through insurance, the big difference is that your insurance company, 90% of the time, they will do their own estimates.
Okay.
So they will send either an appraiser out, or nowadays, what they do is like a virtual estimate. So you'll take pictures of the car and pictures of the damage, and they'll send that estimate to us to go to work on that based on that estimate. Whereas like a cash deal or a retail deal, we will give you the estimate on the spot, and work with you to try to save the most money,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like if we can fix the bumper, we'll tell you straight up we can repair this bumper. Sometimes it'll cost more to repair it versus replace it. So we'll even tell you that. We'll tell you this bumper is like so and so to fix $600, but hey, I can get you one for 200, and we'll paint it. And it's almost the same price. You might as well just replace it.
So is
Yeah.
that aftermarket?
Yeah.